Hi, folks, new year and new project. I wanted to come back with a different project, so I created a hunting game this time. Before talking about the game, let's play it first. We get flying parrots in the screen, and using the cursor, the custom cursor, we are supposed to hit as many birds as possible. And as you can see, some of them are quite fast and some of them are slower, and the game is supposed to end when we run out of ammunition. Yeah, as soon as we run out of ammunition, game is over and we get this screen. So how it works? This is a game I built with React, and the magic happens with set timeouts, use effect hooks, CSS animations, and also some basic math. When the game starts, we keep sending parrots to the screen from random entry points, and depending on this entry point, we also set a flight angle for the bird, for the parrot. For example, if the parrot shows from this part of the screen, lower right corner, for example, we wouldn't want it to fly downwards, right? Because it's already at the end of the screen. So it's supposed to fly upwards, and the logic works like this. The parrot receives a flight angle according to the entry point. And if a parrot hits the upper or the lower border of the screen, then it changes flight direction with an updated angle. And these parrots fly at different speeds, while faster ones get you more points than the slower ones. And when we hit a parrot, when we successfully hit a parrot, it stops flapping its wings. Let me just show it again. When we hit one, it stops flapping its wings, and its flight angle changes and it starts to fall at a greater vertical speed and slower horizontal speed than normal. Besides, we see a bang animation after a successful hit. Let me just show you. This you see this cloud of dust and powder, gunpowder. Let me just show it again. I miss. Yeah, this cloud of dust and gunpowder for a we see it for a very short amount of time. And if I miss, I should only hear this gunshot. See, if I miss, I only hear the gunshot. But if I successfully hit one bird, we see this bang animation, that cloud of dust, and the score changes. Yeah, now I want to show another part of the game. Let me just restart the game. Now please pay attention to this right corner of the screen. We have the magazine here with 20 rounds of ammunition. You see, when we fire one bullet, it changes. And the game is over when we run out of bullets. Let me quickly show it. I will just shoot randomly without any successful hunt. I'll just waste all the bullets, and you see the game is over. Score is zero, and we get this mock statement. Uh, you suck at hunting, dude. Yeah, I defined some different statements to be displayed to the user depending on their score. After a successful hunting spree, this mock statement can change and it become like you're a warrior or I wouldn't want to confront you. So let's do a successful hunting and see the result. Yeah, I think this time we will not get that mock statement, you suck at hunting, because at least we have scored some birds. And one more, and one more. Yeah, this time our score is 2250, and we get this statement. Damn, you are a warrior. And finally, I want to show you the second game ending system we have in place. As you can see here, as soon as the game starts, we get this time running. And in 30 seconds, the game ends, even though we haven't fired one single shot yet, because we want to put some pressure on the player, because the player can wait for faster birds with more points, because faster birds bring you more points, but it's a gamble because the time is running. So you have the player is supposed to find the balance between the time and between the selective hunting, if he or she wants to wait for the faster birds for more points, but at the same time, the player must keep an eye on the time.